because I need to get ready for a very special appearance tomorrow. I'm gonna cry. Remember how I said there was something really big happening in August and I couldn't say anything yet because it wasn't announced? It's finally announced. I'm gonna be on TV! I'm gonna cry. I was invited to appear in Horogoe TV program from Studio Abeba. It's with voice actors! I made it. Oh my god, you don't understand. It is like a special program that it's specifically for VTubers and voice actors. I'm going to die! Have you seen who's in my section? I'm in the third section. We are playing Mario World, I think, which is concerning because I do not own a Switch 2, nor have I touched the game. So I may fail miserably, but guys! The people that are in my section, I'm going to throw up. I'm literally going to throw up. Do you know who's in my section? I recognize a couple of them. Ishikawa Kaito is the VA for Kageyama in Haikyuu. You don't understand. You don't understand. And you know who one of the other voice actresses are? She's Silence Shizuka from Umamusume! I'm gonna cry. I'm not okay.
But I really appreciate it. Where I can bow to you to express my appreciation. Thank you.